Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called the Dagu Glacier Hotel, and it's located way up in the mountains in China, about 10 minutes away from the Dagu Glacier, at least the foot of the mountain. A rather old hotel, but still very nice. On Agoda, this hotel is listed at 3 stars. But the tour company I was with had it listed as 4 stars. It's a pretty good place. I was not disappointed with this hotel. Even though it does look a little bit old, the bed was really comfortable, everything worked, the shower was hot, everything was as it needed to be. But as you can see, she's been around a few years. This was a very busy hotel. Doesn't look like it here, but when I left after breakfast, there was hardly an empty seat. Tons of food here, lots of selection, but they knew there was going to be a lot of people. And the food was pretty good as well. Just look how many boiled eggs there are. That's a good sign. Again, no shortage of food, but definitely a shortage of meat. Right now, you can book this hotel 1 week ahead for $45 a night. But it's one of those hotels, the only reason you would stay here is because you're up in the mountains going to go see the glacier like I did. A huge lobby, pretty dark, but still very nice. Breakfast was on the 2nd floor. I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go check it out. The reviews on this place, there's only one, and they gave the place 9.6 out of 10, which I think is pretty fair. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. The link to Agoda is in the video description if you want to check it out, get more information, or things like that. It's time for me to go see the glacier.